Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to do one of the most interesting topics, which is sunlight, white or colored. So this is a very interesting question. The sunlight that you see, which appears like a white light, is actually a mixture of so many colors. We are going to figure this out. Up till now, we have discussed what is light, what are the different types of mirrors and the nature of images formed by mirrors, what are lenses, what are the different types of lenses. Then we discuss the nature of images formed by these lenses. Okay. So now children, we are going to observe in our surroundings some of the examples where we see a mixture of different colors. And one of the best example is this rainbow. And you can see the 7 beautiful colors of rainbow. So children, can you see the 7 colors of this rainbow, right? Okay children, so you might have observed the 7 different colors of a rainbow, which is usually seen after after a rainy day. Okay, you might have observed this, right? What are the 7 different colors of rainbow? These are Vibgyor, and I am sure you all know this. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, right? So these are the 7 different colors. So children, actually these are formed because of the sunlight. Sunlight is appears white in color, but it is actually a mixture of 7 component colors, and these 7 component colors can be clearly seen through a rainbow. And children, actually this happens because of a phenomena called refraction, about which you need not understand right now, but you just need to understand that there is certain phenomena in atmosphere through which the white light can split into its component colors, which are Vibgyor. Okay, so this is the example which can prove that white light is actually a mixture of these different colors. Okay, so let's move ahead to the next example. You can observe a similar pattern of different colors on a CD. Okay, and this is also representing the 7 component colors of white light. 7 component colors of white light. Okay children, so let's now move ahead. So children, how many colors are present in the rainbow? When you carefully observe it, there are 7 different colors in rainbow. Although it may not be easy to distinguish all of them, these are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay, Vibgyor. The color at the top is red and the color at the bottom is violet. Okay children, these are the 7 component colors. So let us move ahead to the next point. And children, you might have seen that when you blow soap bubbles, they appear colorful. When you blow the soap bubbles, they appear colorful. Sometimes the light is reflected from the surface of a compact disc. The CD, the image which I have just shown you, has many colors on it. On the basis of these experiments, we can say that sunlight has 7 component colors. Okay. So now we are going to conduct an experiment through which we can actually do the splitting of this white light. And this process of splitting of white light into its 7 colors is known as dispersion of light. We are going to discuss more about dispersion of light in this session only, so need not worry about the terms like dispersion. It just simply means that we are splitting the white light into its component colors. So children, if this question comes in examination in the form of an activity or experiment, first you will write the aim, materials required, procedure, observation and conclusion. Okay, but now I am discussing with you this activity. Okay, we have to take a glass prism which looks something like this and allow a narrow beam of sunlight through a small hole in the window of a dark room to fall on the face of the prism. What we are doing, we are in a dark room and we have just allowed a beam of light to fall on this prism. Okay, and let the light coming out of the other face of the prism fall on a screen. We will place a screen over here and we will let this light fall over here, and we can observe that the white light is split into its 7 component colors. Okay, and this is also happening because children, these are the 7 different colors which are 7 different components of white light. And children, each component has different speed in different medium. It has entered from air to the glass prism So in glass prism, the speed of these 7 different colors is different. So when they are coming out of the glass prism back again into the air, they are bending at different angles. Okay, so the fastest speed is okay children. So this is now first of all we are going to discuss about this splitting with the help of a diagram. Okay, what we have done, we have obtained the 7 components on the white sheet of paper, and you will be able to see the colors of the rainbow. This shows that sunlight consists of 7 component colors. The sunlight is said to be white light. This means that the white light consists of 7 colors. Okay children, now you can see this with the help of this diagram. We have allowed this ray of light to fall on this prism on one face, and we can see that it has split into the 7 different colors with cure. Okay children, and the speed, we are just about to discuss about the speed as well. First of all, we will understand what is dispersion of light children. Okay, this is similar to the rainbow in the sky. You can now conclude that sunlight consists of 7 colors. The sunlight is said to be a white light. This means that white light consists of 7 colors. Okay, white light is a mixture of 7 colors. Okay, and this splitting of white light, the splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called dispersion of light. The splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called as dispersion of light. And the band of the 7 colors formed on the paper screen due to the dispersion of white light is known as the spectrum of white light. And children, these 7 colors, these are known as the spectrum of white light, or these are the components of the white light. Thus, we can say that white light is made up of 7 colors. And now we are going to discuss about the speeds of these components. Okay. The light of all the colors travel at the same speed in vacuum. In vacuum, the speed of all of the components is same. But in a transparent medium such as glass or water, the light of different colors travels with different speeds. And children, the red color travels the fastest, whereas this violet color travels the slowest. And this is the reason you can observe that violet is at the bottom and red is the topmost color. Okay, and the reason behind this is the red color travels the fastest, whereas violet color is traveling the slowest. So the red light travels the fastest and violet the slowest of all the 7 colors. As a result, red light bends the least and the violet light bends the most. Okay. Now children, we are going to discuss, we have discussed about the dispersion of white light. That is, we have discussed about the splitting of white light into its 7 component colors. But children, is there some way we can combine all these 7 colors and form the white light? We are just about to figure it out with the help of another interesting activity, and the aim of this experiment is to show that white light is made up of 7 colors. Procedure, next you will have to write about the materials required. You will be requiring a circular cardboard and a ball pen of 7 colors. Okay, now you are going to make 7 segments over here, and you will color each segment with the color of the rainbow, which are the 7 components of white light. Okay, you will color each segment as violet, red, indigo, what all are the 7 colors of the rainbow. Now we will discuss about the procedure. You are going to take a circular cardboard of diameter 10 centimeter. This is the diameter, which is 10 centimeter. Now you have to divide this disc into 7 segments. Paint these segments with 7 rainbow colors or paste the 7 colored paper. You can do anyway. You can either paste these segments with the 7 colored papers, or either you can use a you can use ball pen of 7 different colors and fill these segments with different colors. Make a hole in the center of the disc. At the center of the disc, you are going to make a hole and fix it loosely through the tip of the refill of a ball pen. Okay. Now take care that the disc rotates on the ball pen freely. That is, if you move the pen like this, the refill of the pen like this, the disc at the top of this refill should rotate freely. Now rotate the disc fast in the daylight. The 7 colors get mixed up and a whitish patch appears on the disc. which shows that light is made up of 7 colors. And children, it is one more important point, that this disc is called as Newton's colored disc, because it was Newton who observed this first time. Such a disc was made by Newton for the first time, so it is called as Newton's colored disc. So let us understand this with the help of this picture. So we have taken this circular cardboard piece, colored each segment with the colors of the rainbow. Okay, and now we are rotating it, and you will observe when it is rotating, we can see only white color. That is, all the 7 colors have blended in, and we can see that they have formed the white light. Okay, and this activity again proves that white light is actually a mixture of 7 different component colors. Okay.
To show 7 colors of white light combined to form white light.
Materials required.
Circular disc cut from a stiff cardboard and painted with 7 colors of white light, sharp nail, strong thread.
Procedure.
Take the disc on which are painted 7 colors of white light in 7 sectors in the order of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Vibgyor. Make 2 holes in the disc with a sharp nail. Pass a long thread from the one hole and then through the other hole such that about 30 centimeters of thread is on the either side of the holes. Tie a small knot at the ends of thread. Place one end of thread in the middle finger of the left hand and the other end in the middle finger of the right hand. Loosen the hands and whirl the disc in clockwise direction so that thread on either side is twined. Now stretch the hands. The thread will unwind and rotate the disc rapidly in the anti-clockwise direction. You notice that 7 colors painted on the disc disappear and it appears white. Conclusion. This activity clearly proves that the white light is composed of 7 colors.
Okay children, I hope that you would have understood this concept really well. Thank you so much for your attention.